It's a Ford EcoSport 1.5 automatic petrol one from 2013 to 2017. So these are automatic car. So the automatic transmission, the power shift is called power shift auto transmission. The transmission gears are changed by the power supply by the battery through the ECU. This ECU, electronic control module. So this one decide that when to change the gear and how to pick up the car, or like these are the control. This module, this is on the top of the battery. So this module to do these all things like changing the gear, the transmission and everything, like they're changing the gear for you in the automatic transmission mostly. So what they need a powerful battery. Like the battery should be powerful, like at least 600 cca for this Ford EcoSport or any Fiesta or something small car. Even at least 600 cca, even 700, but if you have the room or the space for the battery, like the maximum possible in your under the hood in the car. So now I have put 620. I think this one is 620, is not showing, but it's a bigger one, and it should be like healthy and stronger battery, so they will get the positive from the battery. Okay, so this module also need the negative, like the ground also a good ground, a good. So what the Ford company mostly and other cars, they do what they do, what they take the negative or the ground for the battery and for the module from the car body. So they color it. It has color. You see the this ground has been, they have white paint on it. So what it cause, it's not like a true negative. So then it's become the job of this ECU harder and harder. So like maybe you will feel the slipping of the gears and not good pickup or sometime like that, or some other issues. So even not charging of the battery because they have not true ground. So you have to clean this from the paint. You have to remove the paint from this area for the ground. So you can use like a sanding machine or sander or something like that. So today I'm using this one. So I'll try to remove it, this one. Yeah, like you see. Like this one. Already I have removed some of the paint, but I am removing some more paint, so the true ground will appear. See? See? This is a Z2 one, is a good thing. So now I have removed the negative terminal of the battery. So when I clean this and put the negative, so then I have to reset this ECU of some people say a transmission, or some people say the ECU you have to reset. So what you will do, you will put the key in position 2, like you will not start the car, but you will put the position of the key in the position 2. You will press the brake pad, like the brake pad, like as usual you gonna change the gear, and you will put the gear shift, the automatic gear shift, in neutral. When you put in neutral, within 5 seconds like that, it will show like the transmission ready. So it means you have reset this one. And after 20 kilometer, when you run your car 20 kilometer, it will also like sit the resting, the remaining thing, like they will show the correct fuel economy of correct fuel consumption after 20 kilometer, not straight away first or second kilometer. So it will take 20 kilometer. You have to run your cart for 20 kilometer, and then it will show you the correct consumption of the fuel and other gauges. So is that it? So resetting of this module or the transmission, just put the key in position 2 and put the gear into neutral, and it will say transmission ready. Now it's enough. I have grinded, or I have sanding the area. I removed the paint. I have removed the paint from the negative, so now it's like a bare metal, open metal. So what I'll do to put some grease or some solution, like just for precaution, so it will not get the rust. Also here, so I'll use here now the silicone paste. This silicone paste is mostly for the car. You see, they also put the cars and electrical, you see. So I'll use this silicone paste on it, and then I will put the terminal. This one I also installed. This is the plug one type, like when you want to park your car for more than a month like that, you have to buy this terminal, like a button or plug like thing. So you will turn off, so the negative will be disconnected from battery, and there will be no drainage in the battery. So even after 6 months, when I start the car, even after 6 months the car is starting, because the battery is not draining, because I have turned off. You see, there is on and off, so you will turning like to right hand side, so it will be on, to left hand side it will off. So it's a good thing, a good terminal. I don't know what this name, but it's like a on and off terminal, or it's like that. It's like a plug like thing, a button like thing.